The SnapFresh 20V Cordless Tiller is designed with 4 durable steel tines, making it efficient for tilling tasks with a 9-inch width and 6.6-inch depth. With 3 speed settings, this tiller allows you to adjust the rotation speed from 200 to 300 revolutions per minute, making it versatile for various soil conditions. It comes with a high-capacity 4,000 milliampere-hour battery and fast charger, delivering up to 60 minutes of runtime for extended gardening sessions. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of a dual protection system that features a safety switch and an on-off switch, along with protective goggles and gloves. Weighing only 9.9 pounds, this tiller is lightweight and easy to handle, and its ergonomic adjustable handle adds to the comfort during prolonged use. The SnapFresh Cordless Tiller is an excellent choice for garden enthusiasts looking for a powerful, safe, and user-friendly tool to simplify their gardening tasks.